In this lecture, we will discuss about status of public health in India. We will also discuss National Health Mission. India has become affordable health destination for foreigners. The Union Budget 2025-26 provisioned rupees 90,958 crore, a massive budget for India to assert its leadership in global healthcare and innovation. India has made notable progress through programs such as Ayushman Bharat, especially the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, which offers financial protection to more than 500 million beneficiaries. Health and wellness centers are designed to improve primary care, yet challenges such as staff shortages, inadequate diagnostic facilities, and irregular medicine supply continue to exist. Addition of 75,000 medical seats over the next 5 years promised, and investment in daycare cancer centers. India is enhancing both accessibility and quality of care. World Health Day. World Health Day is celebrated on April 7th, serve as a global call to action for accessible and fair healthcare. The theme for 2025, Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Future. Objective of Indian health sector. First, establishing India as a global healthcare destination. Second, addressing the global shortfall of healthcare professionals. Both these ideas in action through the Heal in India and Heal by India initiatives. How India becoming a global healthcare destination. Number one, India streamlined visa process, enhanced hospital infrastructure, and robust public-private partnership. That is why India is becoming the preferred medical destination for international patients. Number two, India is addressing the global shortfall of healthcare professionals by training and deploying more doctors, nurses, and paramedics abroad. Number three, Indian expertise support healthcare systems worldwide while creating new opportunities for our skilled professionals. Number four, introduction of cutting-edge technologies to deliver quality healthcare has strengthened India's position as a global healthcare player. Number five, both private and public hospitals have played an integral role in this process. Number six, Apollo was the first hospital to launch proton therapy for advanced cancer care in this part of the world and continue to attract patients from the countries such as Australia and the UK to name a few. What is new in healthcare budget 2025-26? Number one, 200-day care cancer centers. Establishment of 200-day care cancer centers in district hospitals for specialized treatment. Number two, custom duty exemption on 36 life-saving drugs related to cancer, rare disease, and chronic conditions will lower the cost of treatment, which benefiting thousands of patients across the country. Number three, 30 new patient assistance program would also improve access to critical medications for patients, particularly those with chronic conditions. Number four, the emphasis on AI and digital health mark a pivotal moment for the future of India's healthcare. Number five, National Centers for Excellence will spearhead innovation in diagnostic, treatment, and research, enabling India to develop cutting-edge solutions that enhance patient care. A history of Indian public health policies in last decade. Public health policies are health policies made by the government based on the resource available to address people's health needs. National Rural Health Mission started in 2005. National Health Mission of 2013. National Health Mission had various policies which strengthen the secondary and tertiary level healthcare in the public sector. National Health Program strengthening the institutions of primary healthcare which have to build goodwill and trust among the people about public healthcare. Health infrastructure available in India. 6,155 community health centers, 26,636 primary health centers, 1,67,275 sub-centers, 759 district hospitals in the country, and 970 district level health facilities other than district hospitals. Health and wellness centers equal to sub-center plus public health center plus community health center. Focus on a publicly funded health insurance scheme. Instead, the private insurance, the focus has shifted entirely on publicly funded health insurance scheme such as the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana under Ayushman Bharat since 2018. Ayushman Arogya Mandir. In 2023, all the health and wellness centers, which included sub-centers, primary health centers, and community health centers, have renamed to Ayushman Arogya Mandir. What are challenges before a public health system in India? Number one, lack of preventive program and health promotion activity. Vulnerable and poor people's day-to-day livelihood should be addressed through preventive programs and health promotion activities. Number two, lack of curative care. It is basic primary and secondary level curative care that are needs in public health. Number three, loss of public trust towards healthcare providers. Trust of people lost in private sector due to commercial interest and public sector due to overcrowding of healthcare with inadequate infrastructure. Number four, more favoring the growth of private sector. The government has weakened the public health system by not strengthening secondary and tertiary level care in the public health and instead favoring the growth of the private sector. About National Health Mission. National Health Mission was launched in 2013. It subsumed the National Rural Health Mission and National Urban Health Mission. The main programmatic component of National Health Mission include number one, strengthening health system in rural and urban areas for reproductive, maternal, neonatal, child and adolescent health and communicable and non-communicable diseases. National Health Mission aim to universal access to equitable, affordable and equality healthcare services. National Health Mission is also provided free services related to maternal health, child health, adolescent health, family planning, universal immunization program, and for major diseases such as TB, vector-borne diseases like malaria, dengue, and kala-jar, leprosy, etc. Objective of National Health Mission: reduce total fertility rate to 2.1, reduce maternal mortality rate to 1 by 1000 live birth, reduce infant mortality rate to 25 by 1000 live birth, prevention and reduction of anemia in women aged 15 to 49 years, prevent and reduce mortality and morbidity from communicable and non-communicable injuries and emergency diseases, reduce household expenditure on healthcare expenditure, reduce annual incidence and mortality from TB by half, reduce prevalence of leprosy less than 1 by 10,000, annual malaria incidence to 1 less than 1 by 1000, less than 1% microbial prevalence in all districts, aims to Kalajar elimination by 2015, less than 1 case per 10,000 population in all blocks. Major initiatives supported under National Health Mission. Number one, राष्ट्रीय बाल स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम. Number two, जननी शिशु सुरक्षा कार्यक्रम. Number three, implementation of free drugs and free diagnostic services initiatives. Number four, PM National Dialysis Program. Number five, Ayushman Bharat. Number six, प्रधान मंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना. Achievements of a National Health Mission. Number one, improvement in health indicators. Significant improvement in maternal mortality ratio, infant and under 5 mortality rates. Number two, growth in public health facilities. National Health Mission target to build a network for public health facilities with health and wellness centers. It also offers comprehensive primary and secondary care services to citizens. Number three, health sector reforms. National Health Mission enabled the design and implementation of reforms specifically related to governance, procurement, and technology. Number four, addressing high out-of-pocket expenditure. To reduce current high level of out-of-pocket expenditure, free drugs and free diagnostic services initiative have been implemented under the National Health Mission. Almost 70% of the OOPE is on account of drug and diagnostics. This is PYQ related to this article. Which of the following are the objectives of National Nutrition Mission 2017 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. To create awareness related to malnutrition among pregnant women and lactating mothers, to reduce the incidence of anemia among young children, adolescent girls and women, to promote the consumption of millets, coarse cereals and unpolishing rice, to promote the consumption of poultry egg. The correct answer is A, 1 and 2. This is means related question. Besides being a moral imperative of a welfare state, primary health structure is a necessary precondition for suitable sustainable development. Analyze 2021 में एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया.